we were supposed to go to the Gumbo Festival down at the Coastal Restaurant, which is right on the waterfront in Orange Beach here. Anyway, we got there. We went around the parking lot like 5 times, couldn't find a spot, so we were like, guess it's not going to happen today. So we skipped that. We went to the Super Walmart about 5 miles down the road, loaded up on some good food because it's payday for retirees, and came back to the camper, and now we're just chillaxing. Tomorrow we got a big day, so anyway. Alright, let's take a look at all the bumper stickers we got going on here. I've been collecting them from all of the places we go and all the bands that we see. Wait, I'll do the bottom half first. Some of them are back home. Let's see here. There you go. Alright, we got a bunch of new ones here. Florida Caverns, Nashville, Destin, Navarre Beach. Got my Squatchy. And of course my Ron John collection. We're going to get another one at the next place.
Hi. Did you like and subscribe? Thanks!